Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are very fine, safe and healthy at your home. Children, in today's session, you are going to learn about our oceans and seas. Now let us enter into our lesson. Children, here you can see world map. In this you can see 7 continents and 5 oceans. Now let us study about our oceans. The major oceans of the world are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Antarctic Ocean, and the last one is Arctic Ocean. Now let us uh, know about these oceans. Here you can see children Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean covering one third of the Earth's surface. It separates Asia and Australia from North and South America. The term Pacific means peaceful. Now let us see about Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, the world's second largest ocean, separates Europe and Africa from North and South America. Now let us see about the third largest and the warmest ocean in the world, that is Indian Ocean. It lies south of Asia and separates Australia from Africa. Now let us go for southern, that is Antarctic Ocean. It is the second smallest ocean that lies at the South Pole. Much of this ocean freezes in winter. Now let us go for the smallest ocean, that is Arctic Ocean. This Arctic Ocean is the smallest, which lies in the northern part of the earth. During winter, this is almost covered with ice. Now children, let us see about our seas. Seas are generally part of the oceans, partially enclosed by land. They are smaller than oceans. There are many seas such as Arabian Sea, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and Dead Sea. Throughout history, humans have been directly or indirectly influenced by the oceans. Oceans serve as a source of food, valuable minerals, and salts. They also serve as a vast highway for commerce and provide a place for recreation. They play a vital role in the water cycle that brings us rain. Children, now let us see about our home planet Earth, on which one fourth of it is covered with land and the rest, three-fourths, with water. It is a unique planet in our solar system where life is said to be exists. Now, let us see the layers of the Earth. Our planet is made up of three main layers. The outermost, thin and solid layer of the Earth is called as crust, and the second layer is called the mantle. The innermost layer is the core. Now, the structure of the earth can be compared to a boiled egg. In this, the yolk of the egg is compared with the core of the earth, and white of the boiled egg is compared with the mantle of the earth, and the outer shell is compared with the crust of the earth. Now let us see the four components of the earth. The earth is having both non-living and living components which are interdependent, which makes the earth a planet of life. The crust and the upper part of the mantle together form the lithosphere. It is the Earth's solid land surface. It contains naturally formed land masses and landforms of different sizes and shapes. The major land masses are called as continents. Now, here you can see the four spheres of the earth. Those are biosphere, hydrosphere, geos or lithosphere, and atmosphere. Now, the Mariana Trench, the deepest, that is 11-kilometer ocean point in the world, is in the Pacific Ocean. If Mount Everest was placed here and this trench, there would be about a 2 kilometer of water above the Mount Everest. Then you can think how deep the trench is. Now, here, children, you can see Dead Sea. A man is floating on water comfortably. Is it a miracle, children? No, it is not a miracle. This happens in the Dead Sea, which lies between Israel and Jordan. The water in the Dead Sea is 10 times saltier than the ocean, and almost nothing lives in it. Now, let us see an activity here. Take two glass tumblers of a similar shape and size. Fill them with fresh water to the same level. Now pick two similarly sized fresh eggs and drop one egg into one of those tumblers. Observe what happens. The egg sinks to the bottom. Now add some common salt to the second tumbler and mix it well. Now drop the second egg into this tumbler of salt water. Observe what happens this time. The egg floats in water. This proves that the salt water makes objects float because it is denser than fresh water. That's what is happening in the Dead Sea. Children, in this lesson, our country world, we have covered concepts like boundaries of our India, states and union territories of uh, our India, and then regions of India, continents, countries, oceans, and the layers of the earth. So, children, now let us continue our session with the next new lesson, that is nutritious food. So, children, up to that, be happy. Allah Hafiz.